Using Uber app for the first time is pretty easy thing to do. Today we will talk about how you guys can use Uber app for the first time. The process is pretty simple. For that, first of all, go to the app store and then search for Uber and then simply install it. After installing it, you just have to open up your Uber app. Now, after opening it up, they will want you to obviously create an account where they will want you to put your name, your phone number. Once your account is ready to use, this is what you will see. Here, you just have to select wherever you want to go. You just have to enter the details, and after entering the details, suppose you want to go to this place. I'm just doing it randomly. They will want you how you would like to travel. Would you like to travel these ways, or any of these? You just have to select the vehicle according to you, and then you will be able to select right that. Now, after choosing the executive, they will want you to obviously link the card or pay, and which you have to do, and the Uber will come to you in according to the driver's distance. It might become between 5 to 20 minutes. The Uber will arrive, you sit in the car, and there you go, they will take you to your place. So that's pretty much it. That's you'll be able to use Uber for the first time. Hope you guys find this video helpful.